Well, good morning everybody. Leaving Sahagul now, heading in a Ledigos kind of direction. I don't know if that's where I'm gonna stay, but that sort of area. Calm down, Mr. Dog. They're very protective, aren't they, the dogs? Not past any other pilgrims again yet this morning, but I suppose there's a bit of a gap and there'll be the whole big bubble, big swarm that normally happens where they're all walking together where they left at the same time. So that exhausts my buen camino bit for the morning. It's all right, Mr. Dog, we're quite safe. We're quite safe. Really good night last night in the convent. All the volunteers there work super hard to keep all the pilgrims happy and supported, and it's just a really nice place.
Because I never knew quite where I was, then suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do?
Give me now.
Not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do.
I'm walking past everybody, of course in the opposite direction, saying buen camino to everybody, and I've noticed that every now and again, rather than the response being buen camino, the response is and it's generally people with huge backpacks. So that should give a bit of advice there on packing your fears. If you've got a massive backpack that puts you in a state of mind where you can't even say buen camino back to people, it's really worthwhile packing lighter or moving your baggage forward. Buen camino.
Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you.
Hey everybody, if you want to have the best tortilla on Camino Frances, I'm going to show you exactly where, but this is the guy. Can we get tortilla? Aren't they great?
Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
morning, everybody, to Camino de Santiago at sunrise. I left Ledigos this morning. I'm heading to Carrion de los Condes, which is one of the bits where there's no water or coffee or anything, but I've got a bit of a sunrise here to keep me going. Isn't this beautiful? And it's going to get a whole lot better. Having a bit of a picnic there and everything, I think. Or certainly a break. Really great people. Buen Camino, everybody.
Buen Camino.